Hello everyone! The NC750X will receive a well-deserved design change in 2025. A freshly updated LED headlamp, in particular, offers the front end a modern, unique appearance, while a slim fairing and altered rear end lend a dynamic flair. The most visible improvements are the redesigned bodywork, which has a built-in windshield and a new LED headlamp. It's not the coolest looking bike, but the improvements are definitely an upgrade. More crucially, the redesigned color palette includes 4 additional selections. There are 4 options: Earth Ivy Ash Green, Earth Black, Matte Pearl Glare White, and Fighting Red Graphite Black. The updated NC750X, like the rest of Honda's 2025 MY lineup, features a new 5-inch color TFT operated by a new backlit toggle switch. As with the previous model, Honda Road Sync smartphone connection is featured. The keen-eyed will notice that it has an additional brake disc, replacing the previous 320mm single disc with a dual 296mm disc controlled by a set of twin-piston calipers. The weight is countered by new cast aluminum wheels, which save 1.8 kilograms. Rounding out the chassis are 41mm Showa dual bending valve, SDBV forks, and a ProLink monoshock with preload adjustment. The low-revving 745cc parallel twin engine, equivalent to half the engine in a Honda Jazz, remains unchanged. It develops 58 horsepower at 6,750 RPM and 50 lb-ft of torque, or 4,750 RPM. The underseat petrol tank is still kept, so the tank in front of the rider can still hold 23 liters of baggage. The gearbox is new. Okay, sort of. The dual-clutch transmission, DCT, has been revised such that clutch oil pressure is now estimated rather than measured via a sensor. It seems sophisticated, but all you need to know is that it improves low-speed performance. You can use the conventional manual gearbox if you choose. Well, that's our review today. See you in the next video.